10 theories about what killed the dinosaurs. Number 10. Asteroid. Many of the other theoretical causes of extinction stem from an asteroid impact, and an impact event is the leading theory as to what killed the dinosaurs. Called the Alvarez hypothesis, it was developed by Nobel Prize winning physicist Luis Alvarez, his geologist son Walter Alvarez, and two chemists Frank Asaro and Helen Michels. Number 9. Global firestorm. While most scientists believe that it was an asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs, there is much debate as to what exactly the asteroid did when it hit Earth. One theory is that it started an unstoppable wall of fire that engulfed the entire planet. The argument is that when the asteroid hit, it sent vaporized rock particles above the atmosphere. There, the particles would have formed into grains of sand and then re-entered the atmosphere. The particles would have been incredibly hot, turning the sky red and making the atmospheric temperature 2000 Fahrenheit. This would have made the air above the point of impact act like a broiler, and everything below it would have caught fire in a blaze that would proceed to spread around the entire world. Number 8. Hypercanes. Using a computer simulation, an MIT professor theorized the super hurricane, known as hypercane, could have theoretically occurred if an asteroid caused a 40 to 50 mile area of the ocean to heat to 120 Fahrenheit. This would have created hurricanes so powerful that the winds would have reached speeds of 600 meters per hour. For comparison, the most powerful storm known to human history was Typhoon Tip, which made landfall on October 12, 1979. Wind speeds reached 190 meters per hour, less than a third of the wind speed during a hypercane. Number 7. Gradual extinction and mammal competition. A less dramatic theory is that the dinosaurs weren't killed off with one single blow, but died off gradually over the course of millions of years, thanks to competition from mammals. Number 6. Continental drift. The dinosaurs are thought to have first appeared during the Mesozoic era, which was 248 to 65 million years ago. Scientists divide that era into Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. During the Triassic, all the continents were in one giant landmass known as Pangaea. During the Jurassic, Pangaea broke in half and started drifting apart. By the time the Cretaceous rolled around, which is when the KPG extinction occurred, the two continents had broken up even more, getting closer to the continents we know today. Number 5. Changes in water levels. There have been 5 mass extinctions in Earth's history. A professor of geology at the University of Wisconsin-Madison believes that there's one culprit responsible for all 5 changes in sea levels. Number 4. Disease. From looking at mosquitoes and ticks stuck in amber, Dr. George Poinar from Oregon State University said that germs started to emerge at the same time the dinosaurs were dying out, and it's possible the mighty dinosaurs were brought down by a microscopic plague. Number 3. Comet. A theory that stretches back to the 1980s is that the death of the dinosaurs was caused by a different kind of impact event, one created by a comet. A comet is made up of ice, dust, rocky materials, and organic compounds, while asteroids are usually made up of metal and rock. Comets are also smaller and move a lot faster. Number 2. Volcano. The most metal theory on our list is that a volcanic region known as the Deccan Traps, located in what is now India, erupted. The eruption would have spewed out sulfur into the air for 10,000 years, 10 times the emissions put into the air by an asteroid. Number 1. Combined event. Many of the events listed here could have come together within a relatively short time of span. While researchers debate what exactly was the culprit, they don't deny that these other events could have happened as well. For example, there's an evidence of an asteroid or comet hitting the Earth and volcanic eruptions happening around the same time. Also, if an asteroid did hit the Earth, hypercanes and firestorms could have started. If there were survivors, diseases and changes in sea level would have been devastating, and they might not even have been able to compete against mammals. With so many things going on wrong in such a short period of time, these small-brained creatures were simply overwhelmed by devastation.